Welcome to day 8. If you guys have been following along, you know we've been eating out way too much. So today's goal is to cook a home-cooked meal on the bus for less than we spend at McDonald's. But first we have to head to the grocery store and get all of our ingredients while staying under budget. We have been eating out a lot lately, but at least we don't get coffee out a lot like we used to. Instead, we switched to making our own coffee at home like 99% of the time. So we're here to buy coffee beans. Tragically, completely ran out this morning. I tried to buy them before I went out, but it just didn't work out that we were in a city until today. So I heard about this place and we're gonna get a couple bags. I just wanted to get a couple bags of beans.
I got both of these ready for you. We have a mocha over here, ISO mocha, and then the maple one over here. Quick note about the maple, it does tend to separate if you keep it out for a little while, so I recommend grabbing one of these like wooden stirrers and just kind of periodically stirring it in.
Cool, thank you, they look delicious.
Thank you.
I said I wasn't gonna buy coffees, but
Didn't you get one free?
I'm just kidding, yeah. You get one coffee free for each bag you buy.
Oh,
so I got both of these for free.
Nice.
Yeah. We're having a dance party.
Dance party!
And a lucky trade party!
Joey's asleep, so I'm gonna head into the store with Natalie, so I need you to tell me what you want for dinner.
Lobster.
That's definitely not gonna come in under budget. We gotta find the pasta. Can you let me find that pasta?
Guess what I got?
Actually, we have pasta already.
Hey, guess what I got? Barbecue chips.
But we do need sauce, because I'm not making that
My
from scratch.
favorite chip.
Roasted garlic, the basil one, mushroom. Ooh, I'm going with mushroom. This one sounds good. Putting that one in the cart.
I think this is
Tons of spaghetti on the bus, but I'm gonna get some fettuccine. Alright, I had full intentions of buying fresh chicken and cooking it from scratch, but guys, the rotisserie chicken is $5, so like, it's so much cheaper than buying a pack of fresh chicken. Literally half the price. It was $10 for a pound of chicken breast, so I chose a rotisserie. And it's less cleanup. One of the challenges in going, like changing states, it's like I never know which states make you pay for bags. This is one of them. It may be day 8 of the vlog, but it is day 1 of me cooking dinner at home. I'm gonna see how many days I make it in a row not eating out for dinner. It's easier on nights like this where we're just hanging around in the bus. It's gonna be harder days that we are out in the late afternoon. That's usually when we kind of give in and we're like, you know, there's something right here, let's just grab it. But I have so many groceries and I don't want them to go to waste, so you guys have to help keep me accountable for this. My freezer is absolutely jam-packed with food. I mean, like, there's meat, vegetables, all kinds of stuff in there. So I'm also on a mission to clear that out and use what we have. So I have these leftover garlic breads. They look kind of frozen and gross, but I'm gonna eat them anyways. So I'll calculate them into the total. Don't worry, I'm not cheating. So since we haven't done a full tour of the bus yet, I figured I'd show you what I'm cooking on. So this is our propane stove and oven combination. When we were planning the bus, Eddie didn't want to do this because it's the only reason we need propane. So we have propane tanks mounted under the bus solely for this oven, and they also connect to our Blackstone. And I'm really glad that we decided to install it. I've made cake, cookies, bread, you know, I've heated up frozen stuff, and this has 3 burners on the stove top. But the problem is that they're so close to each other. To be able to actually fit another pan or pot on here, they have to be like the world's tiniest pots and pans. So it's essentially a 1-burner stovetop. I have been able to kind of squeeze 2 on there, but I don't know how anyone could physically get a 3rd one unless it's like literally this big. I need some more ideas for like budget-friendly dinners. Thankfully our kids like pretty much like everything. You wouldn't think so since all we feed them lately is McDonald's, but they actually love vegetables. They're probably their favorite foods. So I've changed a lot of my cooking habits because of like our situation. Like I don't want to make a lot of dishes. I don't want to use a lot of water. And so I used to cook a lot more like multi-pan dinners in the house because I had more space to wash it more. I never worried about how much water I used when I'm doing the dishes. Yeah, living in a bus has completely changed the way that I cook and do dishes. This is my current cooking situation. I've got this much countertop to work with because I had to do the dishes before I started to make space in the sink so I can drain my pasta, and I drain it into a bowl so I don't put hot water down into the pipes. So I do have like a little bit of space over here, but pretty much I did all my prep right here in like 1 foot of countertop. All right, here's the thing I hate about cooking fettuccine. It always sticks to each other. Like, is there some sort of trick I'm supposed to be doing that I am not aware of? All right, might as well keep a total of our budget dinner as we go. So this box of fettuccine was $1.84. Oh my God, guys, I just looked out the window. Look who's on the trampoline. Yeah, you probably can't see it because I can't zoom that good, but the kids are on the trampoline with Eddie. They're just bouncing him around like a little popcorn.
Hey, you like having a trampoline? I guess we're gonna need to get a trampoline when we get a house, huh? Yeah, go. Ah!
Not only did he build this entire bus, he edits the videos, he films some videos, he does all the research and all of the descriptions and all the thumbnails and everything, but he's such an amazing dad and those kids love him so much. Let's make this salad, I guess. And by make, I mean dump it all into a bowl. It's literally just a salad kit. Ah! Yes. Everybody came in and I got distracted. Now I burnt my bread. You want some water?
Oh, they look good. They look perfect.
Oh, they do look pretty good. I don't know. They looked bad through the window. So the salad kit was $3.98. It's not the most cost-efficient way to do a salad. I don't want to pour boiling hot water down the pipes, so I put my strainer over a bowl and I capture all the water and then
you bathe with it.
And then I bathe in it. And then I drink it. Okay, and the sauce was $2.98. This is half of the chicken. Like I said, I knew there'd be like more than we needed. I didn't want to overload the cost of the chicken, so the whole chicken was $5.97.
I did a flip.
You did. What? Did you eat dinner?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
That.
That? What? The noodles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I talked about how much the bread was. I looked it up. It's $2.24 for the box, and this is half of the box.
You're definitely over.
So I'm not over. You think I'm over?
Yeah.
Do you think I'm over?
For dinner, I am having the Cooperstown beer.
You, Mommy.
Now you ready for the brutally honest truth?
It's not like it's my recipe. It's a jarred sauce.
Do you like this better, or do you like McDonald's better? Yeah? What about you, Joe? You like this better or McDonald's better?
This better.
You like this better than McDonald's?
Yeah.
Wow. Mommy made it. Good job, Mama. Alright, so what was the total?
I don't think you're gonna believe me. With the full portion, so it doesn't like divide the chicken or the bread or anything.
Let's love.
$17.01. And I said I wanted to be at $17 because that's about how much we spent at McDonald's.
Cool.
We actually spent more at McDonald's the other day.
So the only difference is with McDonald's, if I end up with a chicken bone, I can sue for millions of dollars. Alright, I know I do give her a hard time. I'm just kidding. It was very good. I ate it all. If you guys have any cheap and easy recipes, let us know. Leave it as a comment below. But yeah, that's going to wrap this one up. What was today even? Day 8?
That's what I was saying, so I hope so.
I think it was.
Yeah.
So we'll see you tomorrow for day number 9. Good night.